To play this game, you need a precise amount of people, anywhere between 4 to 6. That is it. You might also need a facilitator to round up things in the end. And maybe some snacks. Now you also need the team board. And the professional portfolio boards. Good, and now for the most important part, the cards. Every player needs to have precisely one card from each category. One profession, one passion, one ability, and one challenge. That is it. Then one more, whatever they want. So everybody got their 5 cards. It is finally time to play. At this point, life gives you 3 choices. 1. Discard the card on the team board if after careful analysis you have decided that you can't use it. 2. Take a new card and hold it in your hand. 3. Place it on your portfolio board and hold on to your socks because now you have to say a story about why you did that. You will need to explain how the move that you made fits into the bigger picture. Now all of you playing repeat this a bunch of times until one of you completes their portfolio board and holds no more cards. What you might have been wondering is, who wins? The person that has the most points, of course. Each ability, profession pair that has the same symbol in the corner represents 1 point. Well, these are the rules and they must be followed by the letter. Oh, almost forgot. Be mindful of the challenge cards. They will sometimes throw a wrench in the game and change the rules. Have fun! Here are some helpful questions that you could ask yourself in your personal development approach or that you could address with a specialist advisor. How do I know if the career I aspire to is for me? What should I do? What educational options do I have to prepare for the career I aspire to? What are the existing careers in my community?